you guys, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, hit the like button, comment below, let me know what you think. So today, I'm gonna give y'all what y'all been asking for. Not an unfurnished house tour, because I tried that when it upload. So we're gonna do a furnished, almost fully furnished house tour. Well, apartment tour, townhouse, one level townhouse, however y'all want to do, however y'all want to call it. Hell, it's a townhouse. So, anyways, welcome to my home. All right, we're gonna start with the tour. Hope y'all enjoy. Okay, guys. So first we're gonna start at the door. This is my door right here. My front door. I have a wreath in the front, and I'll show y'all my little wreath. It's really cute. Really cute. This is my wreath right here. I put it up, just to have something on my door, I might switch it up a little later piece. This is my kitchen, my little kitchen. So my next segments might be cooking with me in my little kitchen. Cooking in my little kitchen, everything is updated, all updated, black appliances, dark gray countertops, a new stove. I cook a lot on this stove. A brand new stove. Everything's brand new. So everything is black appliances. This is my microwave, white cabinetry. This is my refrigerator. There's really nothing too much in here. So I need to go grocery shopping at the end of the month because rent comes first. I do have my wine though and my food. So we're about to go with my kitchen, well, my little kitchen 8 where I do all my mukbangs and stuff. Turn the light on. Where I do all my mukbangs. I do a little candle lighting work. I'm a light worker. I do candle work. I have my Bible here, my oracle cards, my Florida water oil, my sage, my moon water. That's not Patron. My candle. Oh, she's burning actually. My candle, my Lysol wipes, and y'all see this is what I use. This Hawk with my holder. So this is my little kitchenette area. This is my couch. It's sectional. It pulls out into the bed because I like to sleep in my living room. My ring light, take all my pictures and things. My air conditioner, my little ass TV. I ordered a 58-inch from Walmart and they sent me a busted ass TV. I was pissed. I might show y'all a picture in this in one of these corners over here. So y'all know I need my buzz spray because this is a house connected to somebody else. I paint a little bit. So this is my living room. Let me show y'all the backyard piece. So I do have a backyard piece. This is my backyard. I'm gonna do something a little different for it. I have this stone, but I don't like that stone. So I'm gonna put some more stone on top of this stone because I do not like that stone. So these are the apartments next door to me, and the reason why my house is a townhouse because nobody lives above me or below me. That's my neighbor's yard right there. So let's go into the room. So this is my hall closet right here. And this is my linen closet. A little messy. When you move in, you just gotta reorganize everything. Hey, this is my bathroom chair. This is my I need a theme. I think I'm gonna have like a greenish bluish theme. So this is my shower, my bathroom, my toilets. Everything in here. Hello. That's the new hello for the generation. So this is my bedroom. As you can see, I have my bed all made where I do my little story times. This is where I do my story times, y'all. This is where the magic happens. What they say in MTV Cribs. I missed that damn show. I collect snow globes. So my brother got this from London when he went to London, Virginia Beach. So I'm real big on snow globes. I have one from Singapore for my best friend. I need to find it. I think it's at my parents' house. So this is my dad's. I will get a MacBook and I will be doing all my stuff right here. This is my beautiful closet. This building was actually built in 1975, so the doors are still I think the doors are still the original doors. You can tell they're not new. Well, they're painted. Everything's updated in my apartment. Y'all remember this show? I collect DVDs. I collect movies. I'm a really big Will Smith fan. I love Will Smith. He is my favorite actor. I have a bunch of Florida Border Oil. A bunch of it. Oh my gosh. So this is my closet. That's my wig box. Yeah, so everything, I gotta organize everything, and yeah, that's that, sis. So yes, that's my apartment slash townhouse tour. Hope y'all enjoyed it. It was nice, quick, and easy. Something quick for y'all today. But my next video, I will be doing a Dollar Tree try. Dollar Tree try. I'm trying their codfish. I don't know if you guys have tried their codfish, what you think about it. Let me know. I'm gonna try to bake it. I'm gonna bake it, and we're gonna see what happens. So this is my beautiful home, my humble abode. This is what I work for every day. When I go to work and bust my ass every day, I work to keep a roof over my head and things of that nature. So that's what I do, honey. And maybe I'll show y'all the outdoors, because I do have a pool and things like that, a playground, other amenities that I do pay for that comes with this place. So yeah, got a big ass pool. But which just opened a few weeks ago. But anyway, subscribe to my channel. Maybe I'll show y'all my new TV when I get it from Walmart, because they will be sending me a 43-inch. The 58-inch was a little bit too big. Couldn't even carry it in my house. Broke it, crack on the screen. I almost cried. $328 down the trade. I got my money back though. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go have me a glass of wine. Y'all be blessed. Enjoy your Saturday, and I'll be back with another video. Ciao.